Hey guys, it's me Danielle. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a kite. So first thing that you're going to need is something to draw with and something to draw on. So today I'm going to use the whiteboard and an expo marker. You can use paper with a pen or a pencil or a marker, but it doesn't matter. But if you draw with paper and a marker, have another sheet of paper under it because the marker might bleed through on the table. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do to draw the kite is tilt your paper like this on the side. Actually, no. So these two corners should be in a straight line, straight vertical. Then you draw a square as you would normally would. So the square should look like this when you put it straight. And then you should draw a line, curved line down like this. Then you draw a little, it doesn't really matter. You could draw triangles, squares, or circles, or whatever shape you would like for the ribbons here. I'm just going to draw a triangle. And here. It should be smaller. Then from here, then you would draw some of the line remaining here. So just extend it a little bit, like this. And then draw a line here, then a line under that, like that. Then connect it like this. Then have it. So then draw 3 lines in the middle and 2 handles sticking out. That's how to draw a kite. I mean, you can color it in, but I'm just going to keep it like that. And also, just shade a little bit where you want it to. And that's really it. It really depends. It's really just your preference. There's no real correct way of drawing it. This is just how I prefer. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell below so you can check out my new awesome videos. And this is my final kite. Bye!